This is Dan Zilnick, president of Afara, midway through a run here in Toronto on the beautiful trails here in Toronto. This week I've been getting a lot of questions about the future of the oil industry post-pandemic. Specifically, I've been getting the question, will we see oil consumption go back to pre-pandemic levels anytime soon? 60 seconds on the clock starting now. We need to recognize that last year was an exceptional year for all industries, and in particular the energy sector. At the beginning of the year, we were seeing oil consumption at about 100 million barrels a day globally. At the height of the pandemic, it was closer to 70 million barrels a day. So that means a 30% drop in oil consumption in the matter of a few months. Pretty unheard of, pretty unprecedented. But when an industry is doing badly, the first question you need to ask yourself is it undergoing a cyclical change, part of a regular cycle in the industry? And the oil industry is definitely cyclical. Or is this a structural change? So did the oil sector have a cyclical or structural change? The answer is yes. Both of those things occurred. There was definitely a cyclical change due to the pandemic, and we saw that happening even before the pandemic. However, there's been some structural changes to the industry. We expect far less air travel for business, as an example, because people are becoming much more comfortable with this video-based communications. We're also expecting that the travel industry will take a long time to ramp back up as people begin to feel safe about traveling again. So it's undergone a cyclical change and it's undergone a structural change in the oil industry, which means we'll see the consumption of oil come back up, but not come back up to the 100 million a day level anytime soon because of these structural changes to the industry. See you next week. Bye.